Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are on the website of revealbot.com, and on this website we are going to learn about how to manage Facebook ads for clients the right way and earn money with it. All right, basically we earn money from Facebook ads, right? For by running ads for our clients. So if you are running Facebook ads for client, even if it's just one client, there is a right way and a very wrong way to do it. The wrong way is to use your own personal Facebook profile, Facebook ad account, and manage someone else's Facebook ads. The very wrong way is to use your credit card to pay for ads and bill the client after leaving you on the hook if they don't pay. Whether you are a marketing company, agency, or even a Facebook ads manager or consultant, uh, by in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you the right way to manage ads for clients, small or large, using the same methods professionals with years of experience use to offer better services and limit their risk as much as possible. Key takeaways: use Business Manager to manage Facebook ads for clients. Don't use your personal ad account. Make sure ad spend is billed directly to the client, not your credit card. Lean on automation to save enormous time on routine ad management. Ask for ad creatives much earlier than you need them. Automate as much reporting as possible and send weekly reports. The right way to use Business Manager for client work. Facebook has a tool called Business Manager that lets people invite guests to access and manage their Facebook page and Facebook ads accounts, all while keeping billing information and other sensitive data separate and secure. If you are a marketing company, a consultant managing Facebook ads for a client, or a marketing agency, you should request from the client to be invited to their business manager as an advertiser. If they don't have business manager set up yet, ask them to have the honor of the business setup manager business setup business manager. See below before you do any Facebook ad management service for them. Once they set up business manager, they can assign people a variety of users roles, including admin roles for accessing billing information, managing accounts, making changes to assets, or inviting others to business managers. You don't want to access to things you don't need, so don't request admin access, which will open you up to the unnecessary risk. Ask for employee access and then appropriate access levels for the Facebook page and Facebook ads account you'll be working on. Why should I not use my own Facebook ads accounts for clients? Using the client's Facebook ads account is considered a best practice for many reasons. The client should be the only one in the complete control of their Facebook ads accounts. You don't want to open yourself up through unnecessary financial risk by paying for their Facebook ads spent up front. You don't want to manage multiple clients in one Facebook ad account, as a problem with one client can affect the entire ad account, which means other clients would be affected. It's easier to part ways with the client when the time comes to end your relationship. Some people who run Facebook ads for clients believe that the ads they make and the ad campaign they set up for clients are their property, and even if the client quits, they don't get to keep the Facebook ads creative or intellectual property. This is the wrong way to go about it and could have legal implications depending on your local laws. Instead, make sure you charge an appropriate fee for your services and consider a length of your time obligation in your service agreement. How to instruct clients to set up business manager. If your clients need help setting up business manager, I recommend jumping on a video call and having them share their screen so you can walk them through each steps. Remember, they will have to be the ones who create the business manager on their account, so they are the owner. First, your client needs a personal Facebook account to start, and the process is simple. They need to go to Facebook business manager page. click the create account button, then they must enter the name of their business and email address. Then your client will need to add a Facebook ads account to their business manager. Once the ad account is added, it's permanently moved to business manager. To add a new Facebook ad account, the client needs to head to business settings in business manager, click on accounts, then click on add accounts. They should see a drop down menu for three options, one of which being to add a new account. Then proceed to complete the process. To add people to business manager, the client needs to go to business settings and add people and type the email address of the person they want to invite. Lastly, your client to click next and select the role they want to assign. Remember to also have them give you access to the appropriate Facebook page and ad account. If your client can't add the current ad account to this business manager, they may not have confirmed their payment method yet. Business manager also has an ad account limit. The number of accounts allowed is dependent on how much your client spent on Facebook ad. The bigger their budget, the more ad accounts your client will be allowed to own. Alright, so thank you so much guys for coming up to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye, take care.